Tokyo is one of the most expensive cities for expatriates to live in, which can cause concern among potential teaching candidates. However, an English teacher is likely to earn a reputable income and live within the city. So let's find out how. Welcome back to the channel where my goal is to help you increase your network and attain financial freedom as an educator. Tokyo is the largest city in Japan and the most populous one. With over 37 million people, it can be challenging to imagine how you're going to find an appropriate career there. However, the Japanese capital is filled with opportunities. Due to several of Tokyo's schools teaching English because of its high demand, it's a great opportunity for building a career abroad in education. The application process can be competitive. However, there are lots of opportunities for native English speakers to teach, particularly when it comes to working with kids and teaching adults business English. If you notice an opportunity you like and are prepared for the experience, submit an application. Moreover, there are several ways to become an English teacher in the capital. You can be part of the JET or JET program, which is a sort of government-sponsored program. The program does place teachers and other candidates in positions all around the country. Having a bachelor's degree is often a huge plus, a bachelor's degree or higher, and any additional English as a second language certificates are as well. Furthermore, you can teach as a private tutor to Japanese people and charge them accordingly. Private academies and schools also enroll English teachers for their students. Children who arrive beyond regular school hours or adults who attend classes either in the morning or in the evening after work could be your students. So now let's move on to the main point of the video, the recent job alert for English teachers required in Tokyo. This could be a great opportunity for interested candidates as it provides a fully furnished, company-provided apartment alongside annual travel expenses, just to name a few. How great is that? The company name is Amity, and it has multiple available vacancies. The job position ranges from toddlers all the way to high school students and everything in between. This can be ideal for people to work with their most comfortable age group. The eligible criteria is a pretty basic one. It requires you to either be a licensed teacher or a graduate or an English language learning teacher. So let's move on to some of the hiring specifics. According to their website, you will have to go through an extensive interview process that currently consists of 3 stages: a video intro, and then a first interview, and then a second. All 3 must be considered for a position within the company, with bonuses, vacation periods, and a salary of 275,000 yen per month. That's a little over 2,000 US dollars per month. This job could certainly change things for you. So why not check out the website and apply if interested? So that's all I have for today, folks. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out some of the other Teacher Broad videos that I do have on this channel. There are a couple of other in Asia and some in other international countries in the Middle East and abroad. Don't forget to stay updated on the content posted on the channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep visiting for more awesome opportunities. Have a great one.